Hey, what's up? I'm back. It's been a while. I think it's been like, I don't know, 2 weeks. I was getting ready to go to bed. It's kind of late here. I'm not really sure. I think it's like 12 or something. I don't know. And I was just called to do a reading. So here I am. And when I was getting ready to start, I, I'm feeling this energy that I'll explain in a minute. But when I was getting ready to start, see, I like to have all the elements going. I have my candle. I have all my crystals lined up along the front of my desk. I love it. And so I have my fire, and I have my earth, and I have my incense, my air, and I usually have a glass of water. But I have this fountain that my daughter bought me, and I turned it on. I lit my candle. I walked away for a minute and I came back and I'm getting ready to start, and the fountain leaked. I was looking at my crystals and there was water all along the front of my desk. Now what's weird about that, I think it's weird, is that the way it leaked, I had the fountain here and the water, I have a candle holder. The water went around the candle holder and along my crystals, and it was just puddled along my crystals. It didn't go over the edge of the desk. It just flowed along my crystals. And I have this blue jay feather that I found, and I have this here with my crystals, and the water did not touch the feather. It just sat, and the crystals looked as if they were just sitting in a river, rocks in a brook or something. And I thought that was really, I don't know, strange. I mean, it was getting kind of dusty up there and I probably needed to clean it. Maybe Spirit was just telling me to clean the dust before I started the reading. But there's a leak, is the energy that I got. There's a leak. I don't know what that means. There's a leak, but it's a contained leak. I mean, when have you ever known water to leak and not just, nothing fell on my rug, not even when I was cleaning it? When I was wiping it up, I picked up the crystals and I just wiped it with paper towel and it remained where it was. It had direction, it had focus. But in this gentle, quiet way, because it didn't even know it was happening, I just looked up and there it was. And I don't know if that means anything. Maybe it means something to you. I just thought it was cool, and I thought it was weird, and I thought it was somehow symbolic, and I really sat here after I cleaned it up and focused on the energy coming into this, and I feel something very, very earthy, very tribal, very indigenous. It gives me this feeling of being in the forest, being one with the earth, feet in the dirt kind of feeling, which I personally love. I put my sweater on And now it's heating up. It's heating up. It's like something is heating up, but there's a leak. Ah, this is so weird. Something is heating up, but there's a leak. It's like there's fire, and the water protects. I just heard the innocent. I'm gonna take this off because it's getting hot in here now. And I'm just gonna throw some charms to start off. That's what I'm feeling. So I'm gonna do that. Take these out. Let's pull some charms. Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back if you're returning. Welcome if you're new. Welcome to my 2 new subscribers. I have 4 now. I'll take it. All right, let's see what we got. It's a cat, tree of life, paw print, an owl, bird, and a butterfly. This is all nature. This is all nature. A cat, a bird, a butterfly, an owl, and a paw print, which this could really be any kind of paw print. And for some reason, I'm seeing a big cat, I'm seeing a tiger. I'm seeing a tiger. I'm seeing a big cat walking, like stepping his foot into the earth. This is like a call back to nature, a call back to the roots, a call back to earth. I'm just getting all these images of earth, seeing a volcano. It's like just jungle. I don't see any civilization. I don't see any people. I can almost, I can hear the jungle. Are there owls in the jungle? There's a T. I'm hearing timeless. Family. Love. And the number 9. I'm hearing get back home. I'm seeing that image of feet in the dirt, in the ground, like just real rawness, family, love. These are the things that I say this all the time because I'm pretty passionate about it, but these are the things that matter. This is about the things that matter. The earth matters. The earth is our home. Getting back to home, getting back to the roots. More animals. N, I'm Therese Nicole. We got T and we got N. But yeah. I have a ship's wheel. Changing direction, changing course. Got a horse. It's running. Wild horses. And a turtle. This is like a sea turtle. It's like there's this energy of, I'm hearing nature's calling. Nature's crying. Nature wants you to listen. There's a lot of emotion. There's a lot of emotion, and 9 is almost completion, right? 10 is completion. 9 is just the final step. I'm hearing final countdown. Call to action. There's a 6. A violin. And another butterfly. Maybe you play the violin. Maybe you're a musician. World's tiniest fiddle. World's tiniest violin. 6. Hearing cooperation. Cooperation to get the job done. I don't know. This is sticking out to me. Blessed. I'm just I can't shake the energy of this. Like I'm seeing when I see this, when I look at this word family, I'm seeing like a community dinner, like a tribe eating together. Being one with the earth. Warrior. Epic battle. All right. What do we want? What do we want? Let's go with Sacred Spirit. This energy is very strong. It's very strong. There's a real call back to the planet. I'm hearing nature's calling and it wants humanity to listen. Oh, it's this like there's this message that I've been drawn to put out, to record for I can't even tell you how long, and I haven't done it. And really being pushed to do it, and it's along these lines. Spirit just will not let me forget about it. Maybe I'll record it when I'm done with this reading. 1444. I don't know. I think I burned too much sage. My eyes are tearing. All right. What do we got? Celestial gatekeeper. It's another animal. And it says timing is critical. Then we have third eye vision. Reclaim your mind. I couldn't see what that said for a second, but it says reclaim your mind. Celestial gatekeeper, timing is critical. Third eye vision, reclaim your mind. And hidden realms, create conscious awareness. This is about bringing the unconscious to the surface. Not so much the unconscious, it's like it's this energy of putting nature to the forefront. Reclaim your mind, refocusing on what's important. I realize I'm not on camera, sorry. Refocusing on what's important. Hidden realms create conscious awareness. Celestial gatekeeper, timing is critical. It's like I just keep hearing the truth needs to come out. But what is the truth, right? Everything technically exists. Everything is technically real. Everybody's perspective is real. What is the truth? What is at the core of everything? What is the only thing that's true? And that is love, nature, our home, our planet, raising awareness to our planet. To our home. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but I'm getting repeating messages in my head. These are the words that I'm hearing. And it's like I have to be honest, I'm holding back a little bit because I kind of want to go off. I want to go off on this message that that I've been holding back. I said it in one of my last messages when I spoke about how we are all a piece of God. And in order for God to take back control, humanity has to reclaim its mind. It's like when birds move together, they're in unison, they're on the same vibration, they're on the same page, and they move together. This is how humanity is meant to move, in unison, united. But people are so distracted, scatterbrained, all over the place, worrying about bills, worrying about the next guy, worrying about the next car, worrying about the next house, worrying about the next. And it's, people are concerned with their own future, but what about the future of humanity? The planet is designed to heal itself. And the planet will destroy us before it allows us to destroy it. That's the truth. Just like the human body is designed to heal itself. And we've been taught that we need medicine and we need everything outside of ourselves. We need a God that's outside of ourselves. We need someone to come and save us. The truth is, love saves us. God is love. We save ourselves. But we can't do that if we're always looking outside of ourselves. I saw something a while ago. I don't know who wrote it, so forgive me, but if God chose to hide, where would he hide? He would hide inside of man because that's the last place man will look. We all carry a piece, a spark. The earth is God. The wind is God. The trees is life. Life is God. The animals are God. We are God. I'm not God. We are all collectively God, and we are designed to work in unison. The plants of this earth are designed to be medicine. Our bodies are designed to heal itself. But fear and our distractions keep us from recognizing our God power. The lungs, our lungs are the trees. Our heart is the sun. The water in our body, the earth is what, 70, 80% water, whatever the ratio. I feel like it's been changing my entire life. And so is the body. There are so many correlations between the body and our surroundings. We are our reflection of the universe. Everything is a reflection of the universe. Every molecule on this planet, including every molecule in our bodies, mimics each other. They're all reflections of each other. We're all pieces of one great source of God. And we've built and created all of this shit, this material stuff, to feel important. People pay to have fake followers so they can appear important. So they can say, look at all these, so they can appear bigger than they are. But what most people don't realize is that that tiny spark that we have inside of us, that tiny spark of God, that one piece of God that we have inside of us, is more powerful and more supreme than anything we can acquire materially. Someone said to me a long time ago, and it actually sparked my spiritual awakening, because even though I was no longer in the religion of my childhood, it was still in my head. I still had the guilt. I still had the fear. I still had so much. And I was going through this death anxiety, and I couldn't make sense of life. I couldn't make sense of it. Why am I here if I'm just going to fucking die? And I was talking to this person, and, he said to me, God is the ocean, and we are drops of that ocean. And for some reason, that just blew my mind wide open. It just made so much sense to me. There was no religious conditioning that could, I felt no need to debate that. It was like when he said that, something just, like, it just made sense. It was like I already knew that. and I forgot. And I believe that. I don't believe that God is some dude in the sky judging us. I don't believe that. I believe we came here. We're here to remember who we are, and that's who we are. And this is full of that energy. This is full of that energy of how we think we're so much better than the animals of this planet because we can talk and build things and make money. The stupid animals, what do they know? They just eat bugs and shit, right? No. The animals of this planet, the planet itself, those are our teachers. They are there to humble us, to remind us that although we think we're so much better because we're so smart and we can create computers and robots and all of this bullshit, we're still just animals. And they probably look at us like we're stupid because we worry about all this superficial stuff and we build these big houses to separate us from nature, from who we are. There's a call to humanity. And I don't know how many people can resonate with this. I don't know how many people have already fucking clicked off, probably. What are we at? 27 minutes ago? They probably clicked off 26 minutes ago. But if you're still here, you're meant to be here, and you know what I'm saying is true. I'm not saying get rid of all your possessions and empty your bank accounts and give away all your money and all of that. That's not what this is. What this is a need to refocus our God power. And I think I'm going to leave it at that. I do. Yeah. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I hope this message resonated in your heart. I really do. And I thank you for being here with me, for listening to me, for watching. You're beautiful. I love you. Okay, so I clicked off my camera and the image of the water, what I was saying in the beginning of the reading, the water with the crystals, and there's a leak and there's fire and there's like a river, and protect the innocent. Those that know they are protected will be protected. Those that know they are protected will be protected. And that is significant on so many levels. I don't feel that this is like some mass destruction of humanity that comes. What it feels to me is about your beliefs. The animals roam this earth and they do not worry about where their next meal is coming from. They take it minute by minute and do what they need to do and trust that they will find food when they need to find food. Trust that they will find shelter when they need to find shelter. They trust in God. They trust in the energy of this planet. They trust that they will be taken care of. And that is where humanity has strayed. Humanity has lost its trust in nature, has lost its trust in God, has lost its trust in its connection to the planet. We live in a world where it feels like everything and everyone is against us, and that is a perception, an illusion meant to make us feel separate, meant to make us feel helpless, meant to make us feel like we need something outside of ourselves to save ourselves. Believe that you are protected and you will be. Believe that you will be provided for and you will be. The fire may come, but with belief you will stand in the cool water of God's love and support. Belief is very important right now, and where you choose to direct your focus and what you choose to believe in. Again, this is not about some dude sitting in a throne in the sky judging you. This is about a universal force and power that runs through everything that lives. And the trust and belief in that to take care of you. Releasing fear, releasing doubt, releasing worry. I've been shown many times that when we sleep, when we go to sleep, the world collapses and recreates itself. Time doesn't exist. We created time. The world collapses and comes back. It's like this expand and contract, expand and contract, expand and contract. But the reason we wake up every day and it's exactly the same is because we wake up with exactly the same thoughts and exactly the same beliefs, and we don't do anything to change our focus. We are constantly creating. We are constantly creating, and people don't realize that. We are constantly creating. I cannot say that enough. And everything stays the same because everyone stays the same in their mind. What was this? Reclaim your mind. Third eye vision. Your third eye is what is connected to the ethers, what is connected to the unseen, what is connected to the past, present, and future, all in one space. The third eye can see everything that ever was, is, or ever will be, as above, so below, as within, so without. Your third eye can see that. Your third eye is connected to that. And when we use our imagination to create horrors, to create fear, to create anxiety, to create worst case scenarios, that's what we end up bringing upon ourselves and upon this planet. And when we use our beliefs, our heart within, to believe that we're not protected, to believe that we have to protect ourselves, to believe that everyone's out to get us, that's what we create, this division between us and other people. People can't be trusted. People are evil. This is why the media wants to direct our focus to the worst case scenarios so that you have no belief left. So you lose the power of self, of unity, of God. This card is about reclaiming your mind. It speaks of third eye with the mind. Reclaiming your mind, reclaiming where your focus is put. And it doesn't require action. It doesn't require anything for you to change your perspective. Nothing. All it requires is a tweak in your beliefs. And it's interesting that this card says timing is crucial. It's almost like we kind of screwed ourselves by creating time, because time is running out. And we have to do something before it's too late. And the only thing we have to do is switch. Change course. Remember family. Remember love. Remember our roots. All right. I think that's it. I think that's it. If not, I'll be back again, but I'm pretty sure we're done. So I'm going to leave it at that. Again, you're beautiful. I love you.